Hello friends, I hope everyone will be fine and in good health. Today we will address the problem of AC fan motor speed regulation. If you are facing the problem of internal AC fan speed which runs or gives no air, or it's just giving a very low air and it also affects your cooling, so I will gonna tell you that this is the problem of fan motor capacitor. Basically, when the capacitor goes at weak health or it's gets malfunction, then you have to replace this capacitor. You see, this is the fan motor, and here you see the value of the capacitor. It's 2.5 microfarad and it runs on 220 or 440 volt AC. So you have to just replace the old capacitor with the new one and the problem will be solved. Thanks.